Hey guys, it's Roman here. So today I'm gonna do a video on a PC build. Now I'm not gonna be building this actual PC myself. This is just to give you an idea of high-end PCs. This PC is gonna be AMD based, and I'm gonna try to go below $800. Um, so this should be able to play all the new games at 1080p high. So I'm gonna try to go for the best. If you guys want me to do better builds, Intel based, higher priced, I will do those. Just leave it down in the suggestions, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I will eventually start building these when I start getting a job, because I am only 14. But I will try to get a job at Publix and try to make some money and buy these parts for you guys and make the actual videos of me building them. If you guys would like to give me some support, I'm going to set up a support website and a blog. So when I get that up, I'll tell you guys about it. I'm going to try to make videos every other day. For now, it's just going to be looking and building these kinds of things. And when I get some money, I'll start building them. So if you guys would like to give me some money, it doesn't have to be a lot. Like, it could be like 5 cents. It's just to help me get started and help you guys and give you guys some entertainment. And eventually, I'll start doing gaming when I get a good PC. So let's get started. So this is going to be AMD based. There's a processor I already want, and it's this one. It's an APU, which means it is a mix of a CPU and a graphics card. The graphics card it contains is... Hold on, sorry, I lost it, guys. Where is it? Right there. So see, it has 64-bit FM2 plus socket. It's a quad-core processor with 3.9 gigahertz, which is pretty good. It only uses 95 watts and includes a CPU. It has a Radeon R7 in it, so that's not bad. These have price drops and increases, so just watch this. This is very important if you want to save some money, because prices are always increasing and decreasing. So I'm just going to add this, and one thing I like about the site, it's going to have it set up so it adds, see, you can log in, but I'm not going to log in, and have it notify you when it reaches a certain price, so you can buy it then, and that will help save money too. I'm going to add this to the part list. Okay. One thing that I'm going to do about my builds, if you guys want this, just ask me. And it's going to be operating system, optical drive, and monitor, and all this other stuff, because this is your personal opinions, and I'm not going to choose those. So if you would like to, just leave a suggestion down in the comments, and I'll do my best to make videos that include those. Okay, so this is a CPU cooler. I'm going to do this last because I need to save some money and try to stay below 750. Alright. So our socket is FM2 plus. I want an ATX motherboard, crossfire capable, because this is going to be a gaming PC. That's good. On maximum, onboard video, yes. All color doesn't really matter. Okay, so this one right here. This is a nice motherboard. Some MSI. It's the A88X G45 Gaming, so you can overclock. Maximum DDR3 speed is 2,400 megahertz. Supports up to 64 gigs of RAM. It has RAID support, crossfire support, no SLI, 8 SATA, 6 gigabytes per second. That's pretty good. And it has onboard Ethernet, and it also has onboard USB 3.0 headers. So I'm gonna add this. Choose memory. I'm gonna try to go for 16 gigs on this build. Because I want to get some good speeds. This PC is also going to be able to be upgraded later on if you choose to. So, this is a pretty good PC build. So here you go. This is a pretty good price. It's 1600 megahertz. I kind of want 2400, or at least 1866. See, like right here, that's good. It's white and it's okay. So 2 storage. I'm gonna have an SSD in this build and also a normal 2 terabyte hard drive. I might be able to do 3. Shines down our budget. Right here's a good one. $89. Looks pretty nice. And it's 250 gigs. Let's add that. Video card. I already know the one I want. This is gonna have the 980 in it. No, I can't. That's not possible. It's too much. Let's do the R9 290X. Let's see if we can find that. R9 290X. Okay. You can choose either one of these. They're all pretty good, but there's some differences that you have to look for. Like they have different cooling options, and some of them they look different. Personally, I like this MSI one, so I'm gonna go with this one at the part list. Choose a case. All right, this one I already know. I want the 700. Ooh. See, we wanted to get a cheaper case to save ourselves some money. It's a pretty nice case. Should fit all of our stuff in it pretty good. It has a side panel window. Nice, nice. Oh, I know that's just. Never mind. Sorry, guys. Let's see. It's a mid-tower ATX 3 5.25s. External 8 internal. No front panel USB 3.0 ports. Maximum video card length. So you're gonna have to take out some drive cages for your card. Alright, so power supply. Can't skip out on this. So for this build, $785, so it's pretty expensive. I think I might have to get rid of this SSD. Sorry about this, guys. This is dumb. That's weird. It still says I'm connected. Give it a second, guys. I'm sorry. Alright, there it goes. Sorry about that. I'm going to add this. So I think what we're going to have to do is get rid of this and just do a normal drive. See right here. Okay, that's pretty good. It's 1 terabyte, 7,200 RPM. Choose power supply. So we're gonna have to try to skimp out on this. This 500 watt right here, perfect. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Total price was $771.